All right, now we're going to go on to test number 2. We've just found out that it cannot handle the weight of Optimus Prime Transformer. Now, this Lego Porsche is not much lighter, but it is a little bit lighter. So we're going to attempt the same snatch. It's a little sketchy to land, but we did land. The rotor tips are a little, they're touched, but it worked. We'll do it again. So down in the area again, the goal is to see how viable this is and how cool we can make it. And get the bigger 470 size one of these and put a winch, an RC winch on the bottom, and be able to run sortie style missions, pick up and drop off. So if these things can pick up a good enough payload, I think it'll be really cool. Now we got a new battery in it, and let's see if it picks up the Porsche. Now this is real sketchy, so I don't recommend trying this. Yeah. Get it trimmed up again. Oh, sorry. Okay. Around, come on down. Harder than it looks, that's for sure. Ooh, it just can't.